with all that Strait of Hormuz ceasefire bullshit that's going on, do you know what Trump actually agreed to?
No.
So that whole thing that he's bragging about, they got the ceasefire and the Strait of Hormuz is going to open. I actually looked at the 10-point thing.
Yeah.
He essentially gave Iran everything that they wanted and surrendered.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
When I looked at that, I was like, wait a minute. So according to this, Iran can continue to enrich uranium. They will still have control of the Strait of Hormuz. They will have sanctions lifted off of them by pretty much everyone. There will be ceasefires not only on Iran, but also Hezbollah, the Houthis, and all of these other groups. And any violation of it will cancel the ceasefire, and they will close up the Strait of Hormuz until further notice. That is what Trump agreed to. So I'm thinking he's fucking senile. Because there's no way he... Wow.
Yeah. Your camera's black there. And hey, good morning, Angia. There we go. Nice. And we're live.
Well,
yeah. Great. That's pretty odd.
But the White House is touting it as a victory, and when you look at those 10 points, they literally gave Iran everything that they wanted and essentially surrendered.
Crazy.
It's an embarrassment for the United States. Well, being there in the first place was an embarrassment for the U.S., but holy shit. So I'm just kind of wondering how senile Trump actually is.
Right. All right. Okay, we're about 2 minutes here from the bell. And speaking of NQ and that breakout, I think it started happening there. All right. Well, hey, still sort of in this bull flag. It's been playing out for what, a day and a half now. Trading up towards a POC with NQ. Oh, look at that! All right, going higher here. Opening bell.
Ding, ding, ding. There's your bell.
Thank you.
So we spent the last couple hours making wikis.
Yeah.
Whew.
Let me throw on my VWAPs here.
Oh, you gotta get them VWAPs up.
Gotta get the VWAPs. POC has been engaged there, guys. 80% setups done, basically, on ES and NQ now. Oil pulled back out of the gate. Now it's bouncing. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm looking at oil at about 115 over the next week or two.
Yeah. And you won a giveaway on Profit Match. Congrats.
No shit. Nice. Congratulations. You gonna keep those chilled out vibes going for the rest of the week here, Angia? Since you didn't do anything on the charts last night.
Yeah, crazy. I just see it right there. Angia GBU won on the Profit Match. That's so cool. All right. I was hoping for a pullback to 6,800 area for longer on ES, but we're kind of going the opposite direction so far.
Yeah, I'm just gonna relax for a little bit because it's been choppy for a while, and now NQ is dropping, but there's a big old wick on the top of it. So, what do we do?
Also, my X account got banned.
Got banned?
Yeah.
For what?
I think what happened was I was like showing some AI clip of what's it called, Chuck Norris, and then it said that it said you're like I was impersonating some other channel or something.
You got to send them a message and tell them, no, I'm not impersonating anyone.
Yeah. So I did send him a message, just kind of like saying, hey, like, I think there's a mistake. Like, if something happened, I apologize. Like, like whatever happened there, I'm not even sure. But after I was thinking about it, it seems like that's kind of what happened.
Interesting.
Yeah. Hey, there's Candle Dealer. Good morning.
Good morning, Candle Dealer.
And Tim, good morning. ES is looking pretty strong now. It's going up. NQ's going down. That means YM's probably going up. Yeah, YM's ripping up here. Hey, Darren. Good morning.
Where are we going to find support on NQ here? The 15 minutes not looking like it's going to stop going down for a little while.
Yeah.
Maybe 25,000 for a support level. 24,980. The YM, it says the trend is down. ES, the trend is up. And NQ, it says it's mixed.
Yeah. Well, that's with that indicator.
Yeah, I think with all this news volatility and tweet volatility, everybody's a little hesitant to buy or sell right now.
Yeah, it's definitely a whole lot of indecision in the market right now.
Yeah, there's not as much volume as I expected this morning.
Yeah.
After a so-called ceasefire.
Angia says, I'm not trading today.
Just hanging out and keeping us company.
Yeah, not a bad idea. I'm up $100 in my account. I need to hit the 150 target. So I'm hopefully gonna just try to make 40, $50 in that account. I'm not gonna rush it or anything, but if I can find a good trade. And yeah.
So apparently support was at 25,018 on NQ.
Yeah.
On this 5-minute candle.
Yeah, we found sort of a bottom at the 8
on the
new candle started and held it at 21. So
on the 15, it came down to a bullish fair value gap. Barely tapped into it and then came back up. Value area high on NQ is sitting at 25,147.50.
I wonder what's that. Let's take a look at the Mag 7 here real quick. Mag 7 is pretty bearish. We did gap up and then just like sold off. So we had a nice gap up, higher, rejected, and ended up closing a pretty big bearish candle. And we got a new, or 5-minute candle almost done, but also a little bit bearish. Some indecision on the second candle, so kind of need a bounce out of those guys before we're going to see much momentum to the upside. That's for sure.
I think if this goes up, if NQ does manage to take off and start going up, looking at 25,250.
Okay.
Previous day's high is at 56, 57.25. So,
hey, good morning, Village Worker. Happy Trading Thursday. And Johan, good morning. You're going to complete my indicator similar to Austin's next week. It shows the view up reference across 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute. Austin's only does on the 1 minute, so it's a bit misleading. Okay.
Austin's on the 1 minute. Is that what I heard?
Yeah. When you change time frames, it it updates your that indicator, or is it just on the 1 minute? Okay, yeah, you'll have no problem. Thank you. Oh, Darren's saying that the time frame is dependent on the time frame that you're watching.
Gotcha.
So they're often on the 1 minute. Damn, look at the ES there, all the way up to the PLC now.
So what do you think's going to happen today?
Sheesh. I don't know. Pretty hard to know at this point. Let's
And how?
15 minutes. After 15 minutes passes.
Well, I took my long.
Yeah.
So I went in at 25,075.50, up 20 points.
Nice. Yeah.
Pop this into break even. And I'm going to see if I can just let this go for a little bit.
Right.
And so I was looking at 25,250 for a previous day's high. But I doubt I'm going to have the guts to let it sit there.
Still climbing. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. Go, go, go.
2-minute chart, it's making a little bullish fair value gap. And it did close above the up, so looking at the tape, this is mostly buying.
Yeah, it looks like it, right? Got a little pullback there. See if we can't recover this back up to the highs would be nice. Oh, you didn't hear?
Didn't hear what?
Is my mic not very good? Johan said, "Didn't hear you good." I just said thanks, Johan, for helping out. I see that, Darren. Darren's indicator says he's saying that if you're on the 1 minute, you'll still see the 15-minute overall trend.
Oh, yeah.
So ES has orders up above 68.22, 68.25, 68.30.
And NQ has orders everywhere. There are orders up at 25,150. There's some down at 20,025. 150 orders at 225. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should just take my $30 on the single micro and call it a day, or
Yeah. Might
yeah,
turn the market.
I've got it set at break even. So no matter what, I'll cover my costs and commissions. But
Yeah.
damn. Oh, just covered my costs and commissions
Gotcha.
on that wick down.
Hey, Found at Sea. Good morning, fellas. Thanks for streaming. Hey, you're welcome. Thanks for being here. All right, so the opening range is set here, guys. A couple minutes now. 68.22 on the top side of ES. We do have order 62 or 68.22, 25, and 30. Hopefully, we can get some sort of a pullback here. Maybe this VWAP will hold. We're going to get a VWAP bounce here.
The VWAP bounce here.
It's going to bounce.
Two minutes.
I was a little slow to get an entry there on ES. Found some support right at the VWAP, a little bit below it, and okay, we're heading back down here. Probably good to wait for a second confirmation that we're gonna hold that.
There's some news going on right now.
Kind of looking like the VWAP's not going to hold here. EU oil ministers are warning of oil prices could continue to rise. Okay.
Yeah, no shit, Dippy. Did we need a warning about that?
Well, they got to say something, right? The orders thinned out at 68.22 a bit. Reiterates and signals worsening conditions.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, Dow's looking really strong at the moment. Breaking out to the upside. Kind of holding ES up. NQ's pretty bearish.
We got oil up above $100 a barrel.
Okay, so YM did break above the point of control, but it's pulling back pretty strong right now.
Yeah, it's pulling back because oil's sitting up above $100 a barrel again. I'll go grab a coffee.
Sounds good. Thinking about stopping this long trade out here. Shoot. I don't really like that pullback on YM. Kind of the only thing that's helping right now. NQ's looking pretty heavy. Starting a new 5-minute candle here. New hourly candle in 5 minutes. Thanks, Angia. You're 5 short at 100. TP is to the ground. Well, YM's popping again here. Dragging that ES up.
Ah. So anything good happened while I was away?
Not much. ES or NQ or YM, sorry, pulled back, and now it's recovering that whole pullback. Dragging ES up a bit here. I think I need to break even on ES here though. Just little concerning about NQ. NQ is looking pretty not that good. YM is starting to form another wick like the previous candle here. I just don't know that I don't know that the bulls are going to be around here for very long.
I'm not. Honestly, I'm not thinking they're going to be. Just looking at what oil's doing right now, I think people are starting to realize that 10-point ceasefire thing was all in Iran's favor. Oil's up at $100.65 right now.
I got out basically cost and commissions there.
What was that?
I was in a ES long and I got out cost and commissions there. It's still bad. Is my mic still bad?
No, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Sing for me, Dave. Sing for me.
La 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 la.
Don't ever do that again. All right, ES is pulling up a little bit again. What the hell is going on here?
Yeah. Of course I shouldn't have cut that note, right? Well, it popped up to point of control and rejected again. So
yeah, in this market, it's hard to stay in anything.
Yeah. Yeah, if I can just make $43 here on another trade, I can lock out that Lucid account. I'm just trying to be patient for when to take that trade. I tried an ES trade there in the top one futures account. Just need a little bit of a W. Spot one out here. Because this Lucid Flex account, if you make 150 for 5 days, you can take a minimum $500 payout. So you got to have a day with a little bit better than 150.
I think I'd rather wait for 10 trading days and have a little bit more of a buffer.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not gonna take it at 5 days unless one of those days is like a $500 day. But
yeah, then you take that 1 day's payout.
Yeah,
leave the rest in as buffer and
restart the 5 day cycle
payouts until they put you in a live account. Jesus, man.
Yeah, YM's blasted off there. Surprisingly. Probably is a decent indicator that maybe the other two indices are going to follow. But as we also know, sometimes YM can just turn around real fast and go all the way back down to the lows. So it could be giving us some false information.
How many times have we been bit in the ass by YM?
Oh, yeah. Well, ES is pretty doing nothing at the moment. Tempted to short MYM at the moment with the way that everything's looking bearish. MYM's up high, but also undecided on that too.
So I just put in an NQ long. I'm going to see how this works out. I got a relatively short or relatively tight stop loss.
Yeah. A little bit fighting the view up, but you're still relatively close to it. Did find support there, a couple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute candles. Taking a look at the book map too, we do have some orders 30, 40, and 50 above. 25,040, 25,050, and a bunch at 25,000 below. There you go, starting to pop a bit. Beautiful. There we go. I got a long there. I'm out already. Now I'm up 204 in that account, so I'm going to manually lock out this Lucid account. I'm happy with that.
Got my stop and break even. I want to see it push through this this fair value gap though.
All right, locked out the Lucid account there. Trading locked out until 4 p.m. So I'm up 204 in that account there. Craig 975. Good morning, guys and chat. Hey, welcome. Good to see you. It's a new day.
Another day, another $1.50. Got a 50-cent raise.
Yeah, gotta cover those costs and commissions every day, getting a little bit higher.
Yep.
Angie has the best chat person. Always saying
I know.
what's up to everybody. Thank you, Angia. Everybody likes Angia. And she won a free account today. Lucky girl.
That's awesome. Congratulations.
Very much. Congratulations. Ooh. So what's NQ gonna do here? The orders are pretty bare above. Let me look at actual NQ, not MNQ. Okay, we got orders up at 25,070.
I was gonna say we got 25,225. We got 150 orders. 75. We got 36.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, 225, 150. I see that. Nice. Yeah, I was looking at MNQ and I was a little bit zoomed in, only, up to like 100 on the top side. So I didn't see any of those above there. So thank you, Angia, to be here. I'm not the only girl now. Angia said, "You're not alone. You can add my Discord if you want. We can chat or talk about trading, Yeah, that's awesome. Make friends, everybody. That's
you know what? We're just bringing women together all across the trading space.
Yeah.
Actually, all jokes aside, that's probably a good thing, considering I've seen what some of the basement dwelling incels say to the women in this space.
Oh yeah, there's some pretty nasty dudes out there.
Oh my god. Yeah, I lit a guy up for some of the shit that he was sending to Rebecca.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know how anybody feels like they have the right to talk to anyone like that.
Yeah, pretty bad.
Let alone a complete stranger.
So I was telling Nick earlier, guys, my X channel got banned. So I'm in the application process of trying to get it going again. I played some what's his name again? Can't draw a blank here this morning. Chuck Norris videos, like AI videos, and I think that got me banned on X. So I sent an application to see if they'll lift the ban. Say it was it was a mistake. My apologies. What did I do? I didn't realize that was like a bannable offense. Are you still holding that NQ?
No, I've been out of that for a while.
Okay.
I dragged my stop loss up. It wicked down, took me out. I made like $20 on it.
Okay, nice.
But we do have another fair value gap down at 24,993.75. I'm not really in a rush to get into and out of trades today. I just want to basically take it easy like Sunday morning.
Yeah.
there's any Commodores fans out there. I know Richie when he was young. Okay, we got support. Wait, didn't I say earlier something about 25,000 being a support level for NQ?
Yeah, 25,018 area.
Just hit 24,997.50, bounced up off of that, and just coming up toward, what level is this? Previous day's VWAP?
We're sitting right on the overnight view up right now. But yeah, previous day view up is kind of lining up
Or
with
overnight, not previous day.
NQ or the New York view up.
What I would like to see.
Good music, Commodore. Yes, yes. Good music for sure. Well, we did bounce up there, found a little bit of resistance at the view up there on NQ in a bearish fair value gap.
I was just going to say on a 5-minute, that's like the center, almost the center of a bearish fair value gap.
Yeah.
Oil is staying steady above $100 a barrel. So that's happening.
Looks like Randy's in a long right now on ES. I think that's his layout. Yeah, it's got the indicator. I don't think Zach uses Austin's indicator, if I'm not mistaken.
I like Angie's comment about I will not ask for money. I only ask for strategy at Johan.
Nice.
In the Discord, I have had probably 25 people asking me to buy them CFD accounts and send them money for whatever.
Yeah.
On top of the scam people impersonating Austin, Evan, Randy, Zach.
Yeah.
I had one guy impersonating you.
Oh, really?
Like,
I'm on a new level now, hey?
I thought that. Well, it was funny because I saw it. I was like, oh, okay, Dave sent me a message. And I opened it and went, this guy's a fucking moron. It's like, if you actually did your research, you'd see that I talked to Dave minimum 5 days a week.
Yeah. What do you say? Well, I haven't talked to you in a while. I thought I would.
No, he was asking me if my strategy was profitable and if I needed help. So,
yeah.
I just sent him a message back.
Definitely sounds like something I'd be saying to you, right?
Yeah, right. But I just sent him a message back. Yeah, send me all the information you can.
Yeah.
Because
make him do something, right?
The ones from Evan are always funny. If you deposit $1,000 into an account, we can build that up to $10,000 within the next 2 months.
Yeah.
I think it's more likely that they would take that $1,000 and turn it into $0 very quickly.
Yeah. Craig said those Discord scammers are far out. Yeah.
I wish they were further out. Further out of my reach. Kind of digging NQ shorts right now.
Yeah.
London low, 24,953. So created a new low of the New York session. Still hasn't quite hit the Asia low. It's
Yeah.
like 5 points away from it.
Yeah, we got the
Or in a tick.
Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah. 980.
980.75.
We do
Don't
have a
forget that
bullish fair
25.
value gap down at 981.
Do we?
The bottom of it's 974. The top of it's 984.
Is that not showing up on mine?
What
Either
time
way,
frame?
I'm still looking at London low, 24,953.
The hawk flies. Good morning. Hello, hello. Got to get on the road soon. All right.
No trading from the road, please.
Yeah. Candle dealer said, "So you're not going to send me any money?"
Nope.
Sorry, bro.
Not
Sorry.
Not today.
You're going to have to come with a better strategy than that one. Wow. Okay. Well, that idea of short and YM would have worked out pretty nicely.
Well, I'm in an NQ short at 989.50.
Yeah.
What's the price at now?
980. 977.
So I'm up a couple bucks on this one.
Nice.
Little wick on the bottom of this.
Mm-hmm.
Don't start messing with me now. Man, I'm telling you, NQ is the abusive ex-girlfriend that keeps coming back.
Yeah, it's not very nice lately. It's not, like the price volatility is pretty nasty. It's swinging up and down 10 points before it decides to even move anywhere. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, then we're gonna go a little bit.
Oh no, it's oil just hit 101.25.
Oh wow, yeah.
So I'm staying in this NQ short here. There is that inverse correlation between oil and NQ and ES. It hasn't seemed to be affecting YM quite as much, but it is affecting it.
Yeah, for sure. At some point, right? Somewhat.
And there are 103 orders at 950 on NQ, so
You gotta get a coffee here going pretty quick. I'm just trying to finish my morning water. Hey, somebody bought some accounts April 8th. Thanks, guys.
yeah, it was me.
Oh, really? On Lucid?
Lucid? Yeah, that was me.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Yeah, I ended up blowing 2 Lucid accounts.
Oh, damn.
And was like, I think I'll replace those.
Are you doing the flex?
Yes.
Yeah, I like the flex. That's like those $150, 5 days, 150 to qualify for the payout, right?
Yep. And with your code now, they're 40% off, so it comes out to like I think $84 for all in, and that's including the activation fee.
Yeah.
So that's You can't beat. I mean, Apex doesn't beat that on their 90% off sales.
Yeah, yeah.
If you're on an Apex one, all their activation fees are now like, I think, excuse me, I'm sorry, $99 for an activation fee, and then with a 90% off on their accounts, you're paying like $29 or something.
Yeah.
It's weird. Lucid's less expensive than Apex.
Yeah.
I
That's
really
why.
do like.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
I was just gonna say that's why I usually recommend to, especially the newer traders, that like, you know, the fact that you can get in with a one-time payment, there's no activation fee, and there's no like timeline. It doesn't renew at the end of the month. You don't have to pass
Yep.
it in a month.
You can take your time with it. You can trade like an adult and not act like an asshole.
Can I trade automated strategies on Lucid? I don't think that they have
Yes,
any rules against that.
you you can, but they cannot be 100% automated. You do have to monitor them, and they do check for that. Which you should be doing anyway. If you have an automated system, you shouldn't just press the button and walk away from it. But as long as you monitor it, and you don't have to monitor it 24/7, but it is allowed.
Yeah, this guy right here, Lucid Flex, 50K eval, the Hawk flies. It says $98 here, but that's not the full discount price. The rules are 3,000 profit target to pass it. This is for the eval rate, obviously. You got to pass the eval first, but 50% consistency. But once you get to funded, there's no consistency, and then your minimum days of profit to qualify for a payout is 5 days of 150. Obviously, you probably want to put it, like we were saying earlier, probably want to put some sort of a buffer in there. So maybe trade it for 10 days at 150 and then take out a payout. But yeah, 4 minis, which is more than enough.
Yeah, you shouldn't be trading 4 minis on a 50K account anyway.
Yeah, unless you're, 10K buffer or something.
I mean, once you have a huge buffer, absolutely. And actually, on a 10K buffer, I still wouldn't be trading 4 micros.
The Hawk flies, the payout is a minimum, I think, 500, and the maximum, yes, I think, is like 1,500 in that account.
All right, so we do have a little bit of support on NQ at that 975 level. Mm-hmm. I'm going to put my little 3 micro short in at break even now.
Gotcha.
Just in case it pulls back off of that, I don't feel like taking any else today.
Yeah. Darren said it took a $60 loss on a long, trying to catch a knife on ES, going to wait for IB to set. Yeah. Yeah. It's nasty when you try to buy the bottom and it just decides it's not done yet.
All right, let's see if it goes through this support level.
Yeah.
Got my finger on the exit button. Hey, look at that. It did it.
Keep going. Orders down at 50.
That's what I was looking for. Well, that's one of the levels I was looking for. Oh no, that was the level I was looking for. That was London low. Don't listen to me. I'm a scatterbrained.
Yeah, we took the Asia low, and now we're heading towards London low 24,950 there. Oh, bit of a bounce
Oil's
there.
still going up.
Oh yeah, wow, look at that, eh? 102.
We got 70 now. Come on, keep moving down, NQ.
Keep going, my boy. Candle dealer said Nick decided to move around today, not a statue anymore. Yeah, the camera's working good today. He adjusted the settings, and now it seems to be working pretty good for at least two streams now.
Yeah, it's been 2 days. I am definitely not a professional streamer. I guess apparently I am, really, but I'm not good at it. The technical stuff, I'm kind of like, fuck it, whatever.
Yeah.
Until Dave starts busting my balls about it, and then I try and figure it out. We got orders down at 925 now, too.
I'll be back 1 second, sorry.
Ooh. It's an ugly wick there. That did take out one of my contracts. See here? Yep, took out one of my contracts. So now I only have 3 micros in. Still up on this trade by about $120, and
Initial balance set here. Nice trade.
Oh yeah, the initial balance is set. All right.
So it looks like IB low here is 964. 24,964.
I'm still thinking this is going to push down further.
Yeah, we just got to get through those orders here at 950. They're definitely the close target.
Oil's almost up at 102.
I went to grab a coffee and then realized I didn't even turn it on yet. And good thing I didn't, because I still had coffee in the pot from yesterday.
You got to stop doing that.
I know.
You're just wrecking perfectly good pots of coffee.
Yeah.
And as far as I'm concerned, that's a venial sin.
Yeah.
It's like eating meat on a Friday. You just don't do it.
Is that a real thing?
Yes and no. It's a Catholic thing. It's supposed to be a venial sin if you eat meat on a Friday, but the whole reason why they put that into play was because of economics. I don't remember what pope it was when the the fishing industry started flagging a bit in Italy, made the decree that God told him that eating meat on a Friday was a sin.
Oh yeah.
And it was to boost the fishing industry. That's all it was. It was completely economics. I mean, just like most religion, completely economics.
2 meals today.
What's that?
And you ate 2 meals today, which is remember she said she eats 1 meal a day. So splurged today a little bit.
Did I tell you about my illicit tuna deal?
No.
So the realtor here was telling us about this fisherman who goes out in the out on the water every day. You place an order with him, and he comes back and brings you the fish that you're looking for. I wanted 3 kilos of tuna. Ended up talking to the real estate agent, which is like, oh, I got you. I got a guy. He's got a boat out there, 3 days a week.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Calls and it's like, oh, meet me over at the bank in Kobano. Go over there, see her pull into a parking lot, pull in behind her, and she comes out, pulls out her little cooler bag, big bag of fish, give her the cash that she paid, because she covered us for it. So give her the cash for it. I'm like, man, this is like a drug deal. Sitting here in a parking lot behind a store, getting a bag of something, cash exchanging hand, and it's tuna.
Totally felt like a drug deal, though.
Yeah. It's like, man, I haven't done this shit since I was a teenager.
Why does this feel so shady right now? This is a fish.
Yeah. But, it's good fish. So,
What happens if you eat meat Friday? LOL, Johan said.
You end up with stigmata. You start bleeding out your hands and feet, and you go straight to hell after your ribs start, or you end up with a hole in your rib cage. At least that's what Father Frank used to tell me. That, and if I didn't stop looking at Sister Carol the way I was, that I was going to go to hell and go blind.
Ooh, in a handbag.
Can't believe I'm still in this trade.
Yeah, nice trade. Sounds like the coffee's almost ready.
Well, for your sake, I hope so.
I need some.
You need caffeine and nicotine in this market. I gave up the hard drugs years ago, so
There we go. We just broke the initial balance there. Again.
that is the second time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still holding this. Seriously? Come on.
What the heck, man?
Back up to 83. What the what? Where's Terrence? I need somebody to tell me to take the money and run.
Take the money and run, Terrence. All the way from Hawaii. Kaylin's going to have to take over that job now.
Apparently. Kaylin, you've been promoted.
Also from Hawaii, so.
Yeah, well, perfect. Perfecto.
That sounded Italian.
Io non capisco l'italiano. Huh.
What's it doing here?
So I'm crazy because I eat meat every day? No, absolutely not.
Nope, definitely not.
I don't think there is anything wrong with that.
Not at all.
If I could find good beef around here, I would probably be in the same boat with you. If it gets back up into this 15-minute fair value gap, I may add another 2 contracts to it.
$15-minute. Okay, right there at 990 to 2,000 or 25,000 there.
100 or 2,500, 25,000. And it just added one.
Didn't quite get there that one, eh? Got almost there, 96.
Well, I did add 1 contract to this, so.
Oh, nice. Hey there, Dad. Good morning.
Not really liking this price action now.
Yeah, it's not really doing a whole lot, which kind of sucks because that's just kind of the mode that we've been in here now for days.
But we do have oil up at $102.11. All right, now we're getting some selling pressure. Not liking the lack of movement, but I still I still think that 950 level is going to get hit.
We'll think about taking an entry here on this count here. 3410. Yeah, I think I might attempt a short here on this in this bearish fair value gap if we can. Might have just missed it there.
I'm not sure you did.
It's a race in that 5 minute or that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So the midnight open price and the start of day VWAP plus the New York VWAP are starting to get aligned here. So it could be a pretty strong resistance. And if we get a crossover, that's typically would be a short entry, right?
Well, it's generally a big move. It's an indication of a big move, but usually it's a reversal.
Okay.
So definitely wait for confirmation after midnight and New York cross each other.
Yeah. Tim said, "You guys are still here. I was busy in the store." Nice, Tim.
Well, we've been waiting for you, Tim.
I took a 1 micro short on NQ in that bearish fair value gap to see if this guy can't hold here.
It was just a 21 sell market order that went through. And a 12. On down for me.
Still got pretty thick orders there, 24,950 below.
103 of them.
But oil is pulling back here.
Would somebody make a tweet?
Hope not. Well, if we end up breaking the view up here, I'm definitely going to want to be out of this trade.
Yep. Take my little loss and yeah, that'd only be a $200 loss for me. So technically an $1,800 loss.
Oh, yeah. Well, they keep putting orders above here. We got orders up to 20 and 25 there. Did we invert that fair value? No, we did not invert the fair value gap on the last candle.
I'm still not actually convinced this is going to rip higher.
I got my TP down at 24,980, which would be sort of a new low on this, on the previous, or on this 5-minute candle. All right, I think my coffee's ready.
Yeah, I think this is about to drop again.
Uh-oh. Just close to my stop here. Some resistance there at the view up.
Great. Sell electric.
I'm still hitting the 10 MA on this days. Stop there.
Can't hear you, Dave.
Like that work.
There's the first VWAP rejection.
Yeah, I hope it works. Like it's not working at all, or what?
Yeah, I can hear is what you sound like. You're like the parents in the Peanuts cartoons. Bless you.
Is that any better? Pretty quiet though, hey?
You are a little quiet. It's about time.
What the heck happened?
Not sure, but damn.
My mic's been working so good lately.
It's working better now.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Well, down 1,800 on that.
Shoot. Yeah, I got out.
Yeah.
I lost 51 on that.
Well, shit. On that note, I'm gonna go grab some coffee.
Sounds good. 49.50 plus fees and commissions down. Tried to get along there, but looks like I missed that entry. We're actually getting into a nice 5-minute fair value gap here also. Rejected a little bit off the overnight view up. Nine points on MES. Nice. Good job, Craig. So I'm up 80 in my take profit trader account. I'm down 60 here in the top one futures. Locked out of my Lucid up 204. So still green, but gave about 50 back there.
Great. Instantly. 5:30.
That IB low sweep in hindsight was long on yes. Yeah, right. If you're almost max loss, go full port. If daily loss, save it for next week. Not financial advice. Yeah, if you gotta be patient, wait for that A+ setup, hey, Darren. Nice rejection on that bearish for value gap, man. I was still dealing with that that loss there. I was mentally dealing with that loss. Kind of missed my opportunity for that short. The book is pretty quiet, guys. Like, not a whole lot to show above or below. Orders up at 25,100 and some down at 950. So max daily for now, Dave, is I lose another $40. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a pretty grindy day, Hazar. Good morning. How are you? Or I guess good evening for you. Oh, your 25Ks are 175 max win or loss. Gotcha, Darren. Price action hasn't been that easy today, that's for sure.
Oh, hell no, it hasn't.
Hindsight, these two last green candles have been the cleanest move almost the whole day. So, but that's hindsight.
And hindsight is always 2020. Is that right? 60
How's the
40.
coffee?
Delicious.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, they grow that shit like right down the road. So
Oh my god, that must be so fresh.
it is. From roaster to my door. So technical analysis is no match against tweets, apparently. If it starts getting noisy on here, let me know. They're repairing the pool right now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't hear anything yet. Your computer's actually pretty good for keeping out the noises.
Does have a good noise cancellation on here. But I know when I'm talking, sometimes you can hear like the howler monkeys and the macaws and stuff. So
Yes, that's true.
did you hear that order filled?
No, I did not.
It was not actually an order filled. It was a
When you switch tabs again?
switch tabs. Order filled. I filled that order an hour ago.
But you like make your heart stop for a second again every time,
Yeah.
right? Like, oh, what
Always makes my butt pucker a little bit.
was there an order I left on by accident? What the? Sharpie said short setup is on the work. Close above or close below 40. Possible TP at 960. Okay. Oil's breaking out to the top side right now. 102.40.
See if this pushes down through VWAP. it do it? Will it do it?
Do it. Dar said decided to mainly trade London now with extra size. New York session given too much stress. Yeah, New York has been not nice. I mean,
It's been rough.
London has been a little bit rougher too, I thought. But I mean, there's a lot of overlapping price there, but pretty much trended down the whole London session. So
Yeah, Zara, I may be doing that with you for a little while.
that's probably why we've been keeping our size down to like 1-2 micros in New York session, because it's just been pretty wild here.
Just pushed down below VWAP again. It's in the middle of a bullish fair value gap.
Hey, thanks for the like, Dad. Angia said London also go crazy sometimes. It could flip everything around. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it can go crazy sometimes, but New York seems to be going crazy every 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm only going to trade when Trump is asleep.
Asia.
When he's at a meeting. It's essentially when I'm going to start trading. When he's not talking at a meeting and nobody's talking about him, he kind of nods off. That's when I'm going to trade. It's a pretty good wick below VWAP, but again, not staying below it.
Not that convinced about the shorts here.
Yeah. YM starting to chop around a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, whole lot of up and down in the last couple candles there. Oil's pulling back a bit from 102.60 there to 102.28, 30 points.
Still over $100 a barrel, so buyers are really making an effort right here.
Trying. Oil's pulling back now 102.15. Kind of in the middle of two fair value gaps. I'm watching the 5-minute chart here, one above, and then we got like two below. PMIs tomorrow, Anja. Thank you for that. Basically, that's a plan. Trading when Trump is asleep, 2 a.m. to 7 a.m.
Old guy needs to lay off the Adderall.
Zara knows what he's up to.
Yeah, Czar donated to his Trump's GoFundMe or OnlyFans or whatever the fuck he's got going on. So now he gets those personal tweets from him.
Oh, CPI, not PMI. Gotcha.
Can you trade news on Lucid?
Yes. I want to say yes. But not 100% sure. Let me double check the rules on that. Angie said yes. News trading is allowed in our accounts with no restrictions. You can enter or exit trades around scheduled or unscheduled news events. Just keep in mind news can be volatile, so you may see slippage or velocity logic triggers. And you're responsible for the outcome. Yeah. So
awesome.
NATO's Mark Rutte gives remarks after something coming up here. Not that it matters, since it's not Mr. T.
Selfish.
Mm-hmm.
Trump requested Netanyahu to ease the bombing in Lebanon to help make negotiations with Iran success.
Was he trying to put a leash on a rabid dog? What the fuck?
Okay, popping up here on NQ into that bearish fair value gap. Right
Did
through the top.
manage Did manage to go through the top of it. We got some more orders coming on up above. There we go.
Back into positive CBD here. Pretty strong take off of the VWAP. Definitely not going to get in front of this guy.
Nope. You don't catch a falling knife and you don't put your hand on a bottle rocket.
Bottle rockets.
Remember as kids running around shooting each other with those things?
Yeah.
That was always fun.
Roman Candle War.
Roman Candle Wars, Bottle Rocket Wars.
Pretty dangerous stuff, though, eh?
And this is why boys end up with a lot more injuries than little girls, because boys are freaking stupid. Hey, this thing flies and explodes. Let's shoot them at each other and have a lot of fun.
Get it right in the eye.
Shoot your eye out.
Just been grinding here up.
Just put my break in on. My break even on.
Oh, you got it in that long. Nice.
Oh yeah, I've been in this long since 25.
Nice.
We're still real small size. I'm just trying to make back a little bit of my loss.
Mm-hmm.
There's a whole lot of buy orders coming on up above us.
Yeah. Anya said, Czar, 100% agree. Most of my winning trades are from London session and the rest of Asian market. I do trade New York Open, but only scalp. You held 5 short over 6 hours today from the London session. Nice, Anja. That's some patience right there.
That's all of the patience.
All right, Johan, good luck. Or have a good day. And congrats on that.
Good luck. Good luck. What's happening?
Good luck on the rest of your day. Staying away from the charts.
Think we're going to get up to that 125 level? Or I'm sorry,
Yeah.
112 level?
Looks like it to me, right? I mean, this PLC is being a little bit of a block right now, but
Went through the initial balance low. We can go through the initial balance high. That will be
double break.
one hell of a swing. I love it. Come on.
Well, I just took a 5-point stop there. So I got at least I got this account back into profit. Andrea said, Craig, I usually don't suggest to hold a trade that long. Holding an order long enough doesn't mean it's a good trade, but at least make sure I'm holding a trade with good risk management. Yeah. It seems like if you held a trade in London, though, it's good. Sorry, Nick.
Oh, no, go ahead.
So that's pretty interesting. Is we had a new person join the stream. When was that? On Sunday, I think it was Sunday, or no, maybe it was Tuesday. Sorry, Tuesday evening stream. Named Uni Yuuni, and then she ended up winning the an account on Proper Match the next day. And then now we got also Angia won an account now. So
very interesting.
I think we're good luck to some of these people, even though it's not our stream that's giving away the giveaways.
Man, we got to start getting sponsored by some of these prop firm companies. That won't happen until I learn how to enunciate.
Yeah. Oh, you know her?
You sound like an
Angia?
Got a little pullback here, back into this fair value gap.
Yeah.
Oh, no, never mind. It was creating a fair value gap.
Imaging to head out. Missed that long. Not the best day for me. Go again tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow. Okay, Darren.
Have a good one, Darren.
Oh, I think you meant to put I'm going to head out. I'm like imaging to head out. I'm like, what does that mean? Oh yeah, I'm going to head out.
Are you having an MRI? What's happening? Are you okay? Tell me. I need to know.
And you said I only came second place on your stream, but won a giveaway on the other stream. Yeah. You're close. You're close to winning there. Well, if we can keep working our way up to get to that 1,000 mark, that's when I'm going to bug Top One Futures for some more accounts. So, you know, it makes sense for them to give away accounts because they have an activation fee, right? So no matter what,
Oh yeah.
they're going to make a little bit of money if they give it away, right? So that's why they probably can. Their formula allows them to give away more accounts, right?
Well, that and they're a larger company. Top One's been around. I mean, they've been in the futures space, or not futures,
Forex.
Forex. Thank you.
Yeah.
For years.
Like Top One Trader or something, right?
Yeah. Top One Trader is a Forex platform that they started with, and yeah, they have the cash to do the marketing, the giveaways, the everything.
Yeah, for sure.
They definitely have the backing, the financial backing for that.
Yeah, that
I
was one
don't
good
know
thing
about Lucid. I just know that they're a newer company. They're doing a great job with their marketing, though.
Oh yeah. Well, they have 60 million plus paid to traders already.
No kidding.
Yeah.
That's
50,000 plus users. Average payout time 15 minutes, and a 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot. So
wow. All
pretty
right.
solid.
That's digging the shit out of that. All right. I am in another long here
Okay. Nice.
at 85.75. And I'm now in the red, which is just how today is going for me.
It's being bugger.
Yep.
Hey, Angia. Yeah, I am gonna stream a little later today, so my schedule's a little messed up here. I'm gonna get off the charts here pretty soon. I got a bunch of stuff to take care of. Then I have a real estate course from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. And then I'm gonna take a little break so I can get away from the computer for a bit. So then I'll probably be on. That's 4 p.m. my time, which is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm probably gonna get on at around 5:30. For a couple hours, so 6:30, 7:30, and then I gotta take off to hockey because I got a playoff game tonight. So it's gonna be a short 2-hour evening stream. So 7, 8:30. It's probably 8:30 p.m. I'll be Eastern Standard Time. I'll be live.
See if this long can work out for me. Coming off this fair value gap.
Let's hold this level here. I just joined you on the long there. 2 micros. Come on, don't go lower here. Hold this level. Oh, damn. I don't like that.
Woof.
Ouch. Looks like I might get stopped out here. Almost right to my stop there. Trying to. 3 points away. Yeah, stopped out. So I went from up $80 to down 17 in my take profit trader eval there.
Boo. That's all right. It's not a big loss.
No. That was quick. 62 bucks. Got that previous day VWAP at 25,050. We're in that bullish 5-minute bullish fair value gap here. I'm just gonna step in here. Oil's making a bit of a bounce, but it's sort of rejecting now on the what is that 9 EMA. 57 could be a support there. Seems like it, right?
I don't know. The only thing I'm looking at oil on is on Bookmap.
Yeah.
So I want to see where all the institutional orders are. Well, today was not a good day for me. That's 3 losing trades, 1 winner.
Damn, that's abnormal. Well,
Yeah, shit. It happens.
Usually ends, so maybe it's time to consider walking away here.
Well, yeah, I just took 3 losers, so I'm going to walk away for at least 5 minutes.
Nice. Hey, Fasil, how you doing? He walked away literally, right? Right, Candle? We go. Whoa, that's some volatility. We got some news coming in. Oil's dumping here. NQ's going up.
Son of a bitch. I should have just stayed in that trade.
Yeah, I just took two quick winners there, 66 and also 40 on two micros. Figures it was right when you walked away, it decided to make its move, eh?
Yep. You like how I
Wow.
did that though? Said I'm gonna walk away and just walked away.
Yeah. And oil just printing lows here, back down to 100. We're popping up here even more. Sheesh, man. What are we doing here, boys? All the way to value area high here. Bit of a resistance at value area high. Yeah, I don't really know what happened here. Anyone have a does anyone have a what's it called, a Truth Social account in the chat? Let us
Nope.
know. I was thinking about just getting signed up just to like just to see his, like, keep it open on the freaking screen somewhere, just so that we can be like know exactly
Time to
when
get out.
things come out, right? Yeah. Uh-oh, he said something. Breaking, Netanyahu enlightened Lebanon's repeated calls to open direct negotiations with Israel. I instructed the cabinet yesterday to open direct negotiations with Lebanon as soon as possible. So I don't know if that's the news.
Apparently that's the news.
Apparently. So well, I tried to take a scalp there and I got left in the dust, unfortunately. It's the risks of buying bid.
Yeah. Buying bid, the spread on it can be horrific.
Mm-hmm. And if it's just going up, like, it's just going to leave your order there. So PM Netanyahu, Lebanon seeks direct talks with Israel and Israel agrees. I'll be back in a sec here. I gotta use the bathroom. Probably gonna miss some good moves here, but don't want to tilt.
It's really volatile, so
into the blue. Sell 7. Trade into the future. Sell 10. Trade into the blue. Sell 10. Trade into the blue. Sell 10. Trade into the blue. Buy 10. Trade into the blue. Sell 12. Trade into the blue. Sell 10. Trade into the blue. Sell 11. Trade into the blue. Buy 10. Trade into the blue. Buy 10. Trade.
Still a bunch of buy orders coming on up above us. This is yeah, here they go.
Sell 10. Trade into the blue. Buy 10. Trade into the blue. Sell 10. Trade into the blue. Buy 41. Trade into the blue. Buy 10. Trade into the blue. Sell 11. Trade into the blue. Sell 12. Trade into the blue. Sell 25. Trade into the blue. Sell 70. Trade into the blue. Buy 20. Trade into the blue. Buy 12. Trade.
Now it's time to just sit back and enjoy this chop. It was just a 280 order buy that went through at market. We may end up hitting that 225 level. $225, there's 150 orders up there. I'm going to disable my cash account, so if I do take a trade, it's only on props. There we go. Just taking a little scalp on this. Going long. Hitting my break even. So no matter what, I'm making about 40 bucks on this. There's just a 500 order buy that went on NQ. Just added into this trade. I'm in with a total of 11 micros per account of 650, 700, 800, 900.
It looks like I missed it, eh?
And
you're out.
I'm out. $800 in profit.
There you go. There you go. Made that turn that day around, eh?
Oh, thank goodness. Ended up adding into that what I would thought was going to be like a 10-second trade. Just continue to go up with this 5-minute candle. So I kept adding into it and pulling my break even up So every time I added into it, I was my break even was making sure that first it was $40, then it was 48, then it was 56, and just kept going up. So by the time I was done, I'd maxed out at 11 micros and $852.
I got denied by Take Profit Trader again for affiliate code. It says your audience does not. It might be one of these reasons. Your audience size does not meet the minimum size of engagement requirement, or your affiliate code is very similar to one we currently use for ongoing promo, and you haven't complied with one of the points specified in the affiliate terms and conditions.
Interesting.
So I think it might actually be my discount code, because I keep trying to use MBT, but if there's a guy trades by Matt, which is TBM.
Oh, well,
so I gotta reapply and use like MB trades,
or just put in Butcher.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Yeah.
I've never seen anyone
Yeah, that's true.
with anything like Butcher up there, so try that out.
Yeah. So I'll just wait here until I get to 1,000 also, and maybe that's kind of going to be the threshold for the subscriber amount.
This has been kind of a wacky day today.
Yeah, good thing you stuck around. Catch that nice long there.
Turn my loss into a gain.
Mm-hmm.
Not upset about that at all.
From what, down 200 to up 600 or something?
Down 200. Hold on, let me look at the.
I know that at one point you said you were down 200.
Yeah, so in total, I'm up about $601.35.
Nice.
And that's on 9 accounts, so it's an okay day.
Yeah. A little over $5,000.
I'll take $5,000 for working until 10 o'clock.
And you have votes for Butcher. Yeah. I'll put that. I'll try to use that.
I think Butcher is probably your best bet. Nobody has any codes like that. And
yeah, maybe I should have put Butcher for all my accounts.
Yeah, probably. You can change them.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, if I have to switch, if I have one at Butcher, then might as well have the rest of them too if I can, right?
Yeah, so that way people can, who's going to forget Butcher? I put all mine as Mustang.
Yeah, nobody used Mustangs also is what Angia just said.
Well, that's perfect. I don't have any affiliate codes though. Oh wait, no, Trader's Post.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Mr. Maybe saying something about hopefully Sam's okay from the other night, because remember I told you, Nick, that Sam was one who took that big personal capital loss.
Oh shit.
Day. So yeah, good point, Mr. Maybe. Hopefully, I mean, he said he seemed pretty confident that he'll be able to get that back in a couple weeks. So
all right, Sam. Well, if you need to talk, get a hold of one of us. That's what we're here for.
Right.
AHS futures, more room to the upside. Yes, there is. There's still, excuse me. There's still orders on at NQ at 225. There are orders at 26,125. Somebody's smoking that hope dope today.
Rope-a-dope, hope dope.
Yeah, there was 800 buy orders that went through at market. There was 300 that went through at market in that one 5-minute candle at 11:30.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was just listening to it going, what the hell? As soon as I heard the 300, I added to position. As soon as I heard 500, I added to it. When I heard 800, I added to it twice.
Nice.
I do like having that up when they have a lot of volatility.
Yeah, it can be a bit of an indicator, hey?
Yeah, if you hear sell 500 and you're in a long, just exit your position. Because somebody knows something you don't. Actually, that's just a lot of money going into or out of the market. So,
Yeah. Well, I just took a 5-point scalp there on NQ.
very good.
Just waited for us to start printing a new high, like breaking that current candle high.
Are you on scalp long or short?
That was a long scalp, yeah.
It was long.
Candle dealer said, took me 5 minutes to be down 900. Took me 2 hours to get back to break even. Wow.
Yeah, that's how it goes sometimes.
That's the worst when it's just like instant drawdown.
Yep. Coming back down into that, or toward that fair value gap, or the center of the 15-minute fair value gap.
Yeah. Okay, well, hey, I'm ready to wrap it up here. I got some stuff to do.
Yeah.
I
don't think that's a bad idea.
Yeah, I'm green in my TOF Flex, straight funded Flex account. I think it's a Flex, right? Flex? No. No. Is it Flex? No,
I think
Ignite
that's what
instant funded. Sorry, Ignite instant funded for Lucid,
Gotcha.
or for Top One Futures. My
Nice.
Take Profit Trader account up 200. That one's getting about 800 away from passing, and then up 200 in the Lucid Flex. There we go. So decent day.
It's not a bad day at all. So on that note, sayonara. Thanks everybody for
Good
joining
recovery,
us.
Nick.
Yeah, it took a minute, but I got there.
Yeah.
I thought I was going to be down, 1,800 for the day,
Mm-hmm.
a little over. And I had pretty much just said, I'll deal with it.
Yeah.
Nice trading today. Talk to y'all later.
Thanks,
Don't do
man.
anything I would do. See you guys later.
See ya. Yeah, so thanks, guys. I will be live again later. So what time did I say? So 8:30-ish Eastern Standard Time for that Asia session. I got a real estate course, like I said, from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. in my time. So I'm going to just try to get off the computer for about an hour and a half. Then we'll do that evening stream before I got to head to the hockey game. So appreciate you guys being here as usual. Thanks so much. Angia, Darren, Johan, Candle Dealer, Craig, Sharpie, the Hawk Flies, Mr. Maybe, Czar, Tim Korth, my dad, Lilish Borker, Facile Crypto, and DI. I didn't see DI's comment. I must have missed it when I was away or something. Where was DI? Anyways, thanks so much, everybody. Appreciate you guys. Have a good, safe rest of your trading session. And I'll see you later tonight for that Asia session. Bye-bye.